Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this nice looking elephant solar garden statue. Good addition to our garden, of course, and it comes by Dacoity. This is an elephant statue for the garden decoration for outdoor with a weatherproof finish. It comes with solar powered LED lights. It's a good gift for woman and man, and so on. It's a birthday gift for the mom. The garden statues for the balcony, terrace, fountain, or as you like. These elephant statues decorates outside. It has a built-in 6,000 mAh high capacity battery that can be fully charged in only 6 up to 8 hours of sunlight and support then 10 up to 12 hours of continuous light at night. The battery thread must be turned on during the daylight, charging of course, and the built-in light sensor automatically turns on when it is dark outside. The battery thread design helps to save energy and saves the power when the device is not in use. We have durable materials, as you can see. The elephant decoration is made of synthetic resin. This is exquisitely processed, and it is bright of colors. It can be withstand various weather conditions, so you can use it outdoor, such as a heavy snowfall, these intense sunlight and rain. It measures 27 to 17 to 14 centimeters and weighs only 600 grams. It is unique design. This gives that a courtyard of the garden a touch of beauty. That's an ideal gift. This elephant is weatherproof, and it's a good gift for women and moms. And it's also suitable for birthday, weddings, anniversaries, Mother's Days, housewarmings, parties, and other occasions. The small and exquisite elephant shape, paired with the flowing LED lights on the trunk, will make this recipient happy. And charming garden features. The elephant garden features 3 different types of light bulbs that emit a warm, soft light at night. Whenever placed next to the flower pots, pond stairs, doors, or a curtain, they fits perfectly into the environment and become an eye-catching decoration, highlighted in the outdoor area. And we have a unique design because the elephant combines natural elements such as the butterflies, the bird, and the bird's feeders to achieve a lively and interesting effect. The LED lights on the elephant's trunk at in the night draws a clear and lively elephant silhouette that is cute yet elegant. This giving an entire sculpture and unique visual appearance, of course. The solar powered garden statue is beautiful and eco-friendly addition to our garden. It harnesses the power of the sun to illuminate our outdoor space, this adding a charm and elegance. 5 up to 8 hours under sunlight, charging time. Working time 10 up to 12 hours after fully charged. The built-in NIMH 1.2 volt 600 mAh rechargeable battery is on the scene. We choose the location, find a good location in our garden that recently plenty of sunlight during the day. The solar panel needs to be exposed to sunlight for charging. Then we press the on button. We're charging. We leave the statue under direct sunlight during the day. The solar panel will absorb the sunlight and convert it into the electricity, and it will charge the battery, and at night time automatically. At dusk falls, the statue will automatically light up and it will remain illuminated until the dawn or until the battery runs out of power. Job's done, baby. Easy, cool, baby. This is the Dacoity elephant statue. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.